Alright guys, about to install a 2026 S1000rr Akrapovic exhaust. This bike needs it. It's gonna be insane. About to pull it out outside and get to it. Gonna do a sound comparison between the stock exhaust and the Akrapovic exhaust and installing it. And straight pipe. Stay tuned for that. That'll be insane.
Yeah, you can pull it. There you go. That's just a cover for the dampener.
Right.
Just a rubber dampener.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, it's coming. Oh, heavy.
So heavy, huh?
Yeah, like compared to the shorty, feel it.
Oh, the other, see?
If only we had a scale to put this on. It's pretty heavy compared to the shorty.
Oh?
Uy. Premiado.
Straight piped exhaust right there. Yeah, I'm recording this whole time. Package just came in this morning. Akrapovic shorty, clamps.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it like this.
So this bike already came stocked with the Akrapovic headers, so we're just adding the slip-on. So it's basically the whole system. No tune. Shorty right here. Crazy weight difference too. Of course.
Yeah.
It's gonna look crazy. Sound crazy as well, of course.
Yeah, I did one. Right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's what yeah. That's what yeah.
Ah, ¿verdad? Sí, ¿verdad?
Ahí. Bueno.
Ahí llega.
We just gotta get a blue now. It looks too new. Where are they going? Get a torque switch?
Gotta be blue.
For the Acro?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know.
Alright, starting up the Akrapovic exhaust. About to take it on a ride. That is loud. Now still one more pull. That sounds amazing. Wow. Downshift, all those pops. Yeah, that sounds amazing.